it's Roxy. So today I'm going to show you a hair tutorial. Yes, I said hair tutorial. I never do these for you guys and I'm really excited. I'm going to show you how to get these really beautiful effortless curls for the beach or the pool using my New Me Magic Wand in titanium 25 millimeter. Now I have a coupon code, so after this video is over, I will give you that coupon code so you can get your very own New Me signature magic wand. Yes, I said your very own. So stay tuned. Alright dolls, so you obviously want to make sure your hair is dried, whether you use the blow dryer or just let it air dry, and then make sure you spray a heat protectant in your hair to protect your hair from all the heat. And part your hair, whether you prefer parting it on the side or down the center, and start by grabbing small sections from your part all the way down. And with your New Me Magic Wand, you're going to begin taking your section, wrapping it going outward, and hold your hair for about 5 to 6 seconds. And then just go ahead and let it go. And then it's going to give you just a really effortless curl. And then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing with the next section. Grab your hair from the parted area all the way down to the bottom, wrap it, hold your hair for about 5 to 6 seconds, and then just go ahead and let it go. And if you have thicker hair, then you can obviously grab less hair, and if you have thin hair, then you can grab more hair. So you just want to go ahead and repeat these same steps throughout your whole entire hair and wrap it going outward, hold it for 5 to 6 seconds, just let it go, and you get the idea. So curling the last piece is like probably the most exciting piece to curl because that means you're almost done, and it was very simple to do and very easy, and it just gave you these very beautiful beachy effortless waves. And once you're done curling all your hair, you want to just go ahead and run your fingers through your hair to just kind of loosen up the curls a little bit, and then you can spray a hairspray or sea salt spray just to kind of give them more of a beach vibe, and you're all set. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Please don't forget to check the description box below for the coupon code, and it's going to be Roxy for New Me. So if you just go ahead and during checkout type that in, and you can get your very own New Me Magic magic wand, titanium in size 25, so you can get these beautiful effortless curls for the summer. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.